Now, opening links in a new window. How do we do that? If you want our link to take the person to a different website, but it should not open on the current window, it should open on a new window. We are just going to add an attribute called target, and the value of target should be blank. So let's say this one, this is to YouTube, right? So I want to add an additional attribute called target. And what am I targeting? I'm targeting a blank. So you bring underscore blank. Those of you who cannot do the underscore, you just look for your hyphen key and then you use shift and then the hyphen key. I'm going to get an underscore. You save it and then straightforward we'll check what we've done. So that is it. The link is here. Let me click on it and see whether I will go to a new window instead of this current window. You see, it has left it here. It has opened the current window for me here. It has opened a different window. It was not opening it on the same window, just like it was happening initially when we did it. If you don't remember, let me just take this one off. Let me just take it off so you understand the difference. Save it and see the difference. Let me refresh the page once more. It's the same link, but when I click on it, it opens on the same window. It doesn't open in a different window. Okay. But when I added another attribute and I gave it a value of underscore blank and I saved it, when I click on that particular link, it opens in a new window, just as it is happening here.